Ladies and gentlemen, today you are travelling on an Airbus A320, and it is important that you are all familiar with the safety features of this aircraft. Even if you fly with Jetstar frequently, we would appreciate your attention for just a few minutes.
Welcome to Class 4 and the subject of winemaking. Now that we understand viticulture, it's time to look at how we turn the grapes into wine. We will start by getting up close and personal with our winemakers, that intriguing mix of scientist, farmer, craftsman and dreamer. Colas. To capture the excitement that has been generated in the past with our Diet Coke flavours, in Q2 2005, we launch another new variant to keep the demanding DC audience satisfied.
Space, the greatest frontier, and the destiny of those bold enough to face the challenges of the unknown. For the future of man, daring explorers range out into this vast ocean, reaching the farthest shores of greatest promise, as man conquers space.